everyone, I am Nicole with Gator Metal Roofing, and thank you so much for joining us on our YouTube channel where we bring you all things metal roofs, from installation to our wide range color palette and everything in between. We are your one-stop shop for all things metal roofing, and today we are here in Oriental, North Carolina with Miss Elizabeth. Miss Elizabeth, how are you doing today?
I'm doing fine.
We are so excited to be here. I'm so excited to be here. Me and you, we've chatted on the phone a little bit. And let me just say, you're living my dream life. You guys are gonna see her home is the cutest. You have a little farm. How long have you guys lived here in Oriental?
Well, I've lived in this house for 10 years.
10 years. Wow.
And I've lived in Oriental for 42 years.
Wow.
And Jimmy was born and raised in the county, so he's very local.
It sounds like this place has everything you guys need. You're close to the water. You guys have a little farm here. Why does this area feel just like home to you?
No neighbors.
Can't go wrong with that.
No traffic. And we have room to do the projects we want.
Yeah.
And we have our goats and our chickens outside, and the dogs and the cats.
And then you have shrimp. You literally don't need
And we
leave.
sell shrimp that my husband catches.
Plug it up. Everyone, come check out Elizabeth for that
come
shrimp.
to the shrimp shack.
Kind of like an oasis in a cornfield. Can you tell us, we were talking a little bit earlier about, we are in North Carolina, hurricane season. What was the condition of your old roof like?
Every time the wind would blow over 30 or 40, the yard would be filled with shingles. And we've already developed a couple leaks in the ceiling. So now we have to paint the whole ceiling since it doesn't leak anymore. And I believe that this roof is going to be good through any hurricane we get.
Fingers crossed we have a better hurricane season. What made you guys kind of think of different alternatives? What made you think of possibly upgrading to a metal roof in the first place?
Oh, there was no question. I mean, you know, if you want to take care of your home the best you can, put the best on it.
Amen, sister. Words right out of my mouth.
Yep, put the best on it.
We're done with the video. How'd you hear about Gator Metal Roofing?
Well, your advertising works great. We've seen your ads on Facebook, and we've seen your ads. Get off your asphalt.
Yes, ma'am. We just need to hire her.
Right on TV.
How long ago did you get your new roof installed?
Just last week.
Oh, so she's
This is brand new.
Wow. It's like you're just ripping the Band-Aid off.
It's not even dirty.
Yeah, well, she's shiny out there. She's looking good.
It looks beautiful. We're very pleased.
And why did you decide to pick that specific color?
Well, we have red barns, and we wanted to make the whole property cohesive in color.
And you did a great job. It looks fantastic.
It does. And we had our mermaid lounge, which is the little house by the pool. Had that done too, and that looks marvelous.
So not only did you get a roof for your main property, but you also got one for the shed as well. Why did you want to get one for the shed? To match, or were there a shingles with that one as well?
Well, that one is an old building, and the shingles were probably 15 to 20 years old. It had a very steep pitch, which I'm sure your crew just loved.
Oh, we love it, yes.
Loved it, but it looks marvelous, and it's going to protect the building for years to come.
And now your chickens and goats, they got something really pretty to look at too.
Yes, they do.
You guys got beautiful curb appeal. You can't go wrong.
The roof sets the house off.
Yes, it does.
I mean, a shingle roof looks like a shingle roof, but the metal roof really ties everything together. And if you're gonna do it, go big.
What was the installation entire process like, working with our team from start to finish?
The team was fantastic. My husband brags on them all the time.
Thank you, Jimmy.
Yep, and they showed up on time. They worked their little butts off all day and didn't quit sometimes until almost dark. And I think it was 2.5 days they were done.
Yeah.
They cleaned up everything. There's no debris left. And friendly, and answered all our questions. And no, they were great.
Yeah. Now you have a lifetime warranty, so if anything does happen, you know, no sweat off your back. Just give us a call and we're here to help.
And that's one of the reasons when you get an asphalt shingle roof, the guy comes in and says, oh, you have a warranty, and that warranty's good until his tires leave your driveway. This is our last house.
Your forever home.
Yep, and it's gonna be the best we can do.
And you've made it the best you can do. It looks fantastic. You really, it feels like such a beautiful little oasis. You couldn't have done anything better.
No.
Do you have any advice for anyone who might be too scared to pull the trigger? Obviously, you know, metal roofs, it is an upgrade. It is a bigger investment up front, but in the long run, it does stretch and you actually save money. Do you have any advice for someone who might be hesitant if they don't?
Well, if somebody's got a shingle roof, eventually you're going to have loose shingles. And when you get loose shingles, you have water leaks that come down and go in and damage your ceiling, which I have one right there.
Yep.
And it costs a lot of money to strip down the ceiling and paint it all and fix it.
And at the end of the day, it's just extra stress that you don't need.
You don't need the stress. You don't want to worry about the roof leaking in the middle of the hurricane.
No, and especially North Carolina, our weather is so unpredictable.
You can have a squall with 50, 60, 70 mile-an-hour winds. It's not a hurricane, but those winds don't know the difference. They're going to blow and take the shingles off the roof and cause you problems.
Not only do you have the curb appeal, but you also have that protection, the lifetime warranty.
Right.
And at the end of the day, it's just stress-free. You don't have to worry about it. This is your forever home. Now you're forever protected, not only with your metal roof and our strong, durable materials, but again, with our team.
Right.
The Gator team, once you're a member of our family, we're always there to help out.
We had a little question about an area on the roof, and we called you, and you put us together with Kelly, and it was addressed literally the same day.
Good. That's what we love to hear.
And taken care of, and everything was fine, and we're good. That's how it should work.
Exactly.
It seems that the crew and the staff is proud of the product.
We are, and we're proud to serve North and South Carolina and meeting fantastic homeowners like you. That's my favorite thing about this job, is meeting you guys. And just hearing from real stories like y'all. And getting to see beautiful, sexy houses just like this one.
I don't think it's ever been called sexy before.
With the red? Yes, ma'am, it is.
The red, we're hot.
Oh, yeah. Well, Miss Elizabeth, thank you so much for your time today. Thank you so much for now being an official member of the Gator family. Thank you for your love, your support, welcoming us into your beautiful home. And thank you for just showcasing your two new metal roofs with us.
I'm happy to have them.
Yeah. Well, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, and follow. Feel free to leave any comments, questions down below, and we will see you here next time. Bye.
Bye.